suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer.
Hi, Boknik! Surprise! Greetings here from Canada. Feels like just yesterday, you know. We were high school, madalas tayo sa bahay nyo, gumagawa tayo ng project, assignments, or kung ano-anong kalokohan lang, food trip. And now, you are getting married. I'm really happy for you that you finally found your person. And you guys are lucky that you find each other. And I know that you're gonna build a beautiful life together. And I know also that one day, makikilala namin si Kuya John and mabubuo ulit tayong mga bok. But for now, from afar, I'm sending you my best wishes. And you know, you deserve all the love, peace, laughter, and happiness that marriage brings. And I'm so excited for this new chapter for you. And I already know that you are going to be the most beautiful bride. So congratulations to the both of you. And may God bless you always. Ingat, Bok. Ingat sa inyo ni Kuya John. Alright? Bye-bye.
Hello, Miss Tagay. Oh, Miss Tayag pala. Soon to be Mrs. Pineda. Alam mo, parang dati, san ka? Ngayon, san kayo? You know what? I'm so happy, excited for you and your future together with John, JM. To be honest, looking at you right now, grabe, no? Ang bilis ng panahon. It feels like yesterday lang, lalakad lang tayo sa UP, Timog, tapos babalak lang mag-Adonis, nanonood ng concert, and nagsusumigaw ng magazine! Tapos ngayon, I do na. You deserve all the love, peace, and happiness in the world. As you step into this new chapter, always remember the sacred vows, for better or for worse, till death do you part. At syempre, for richer or for poorer, through every overtime and hazard pay. Congrats, Nicole and JM, since si John na talaga ang pineda best para sa'yo. I love you. Happy wedding. I miss you. Enjoy!
Nicole, congratulations! Nahanap mo na ang the one at ikakasal na kayo. Sana all. Sayang wala kami dyan sa special day nyo. Pero meron pa namang chance next year. Sana makita na namin kayo. Kasi hindi pa namin nami-meet si the one. And super happy kami para sa'yo na nafi-figure out mo na yung life unti-unti. And super blessed kayong dalawa. Sana makita na namin kayo soon. And babawi kami next year kapag dito na kayo sa Pilipinas ikakasal. Yun lang, short message muna. See you soon. See you din kay Jowa na soon to be asawa. Bye-bye!
Hi! Say hi to the camera. Hi, Ninang! How are you na, Ninang? Balita ko, ikakasal na daw kayo. Aray ko. Malapit na ang araw. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Sana mag-enjoy muna kayo sa stage na kayong dalawa lang. At wish ko sana magtagpo-tagpo lahat ng schedule natin pag uwi nyo dito. Kasi gusto rin namin ma-meet ang iyong love of your life. Diba? Diba, baby? Ayun. Sa ngayon, say hi muna. Hi. Hi. Sa ngayon, best wishes sa inyong dalawa. At more money at baby dust para may kalaro na itong makulit na to. Ayun lang. Balitaan nyo kami. Keep in touch kung kailan kayo uwi. Love you. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye.
Hi sisters! Congratulations!
Congrats! Magpakarami kayo.
Mamaya na
At
agad!
magpaalaanakin.
Ano?
magpaalaanakin.
Alaanakin? Congratulations! Handa mo na yung bataan mo! Charing! Hindi, joke lang. Ano masasabi natin? Ikaw, ano ma-advise mo kay JM muna?
Oo lang ng oo, JM.
Kala mo naman, oo lang din siya ng oo, hindi naman. May you have a fruitful marriage. Kala mo talaga. At, yun lang. God bless you. Bye!
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Ay, hindi pala vlog to. Sorry. Hi friend! Hi Beshi! So happy wedding to you and to JM. Congratulations! I'm so excited when I heard the news that ikakasal ka na. So, unti-unti na po talaga ang mga kaibigan kong kinakasal. But anyway, just so you know, I'm so happy for you. You already found the one. Yung talagang alam mong mahal ka. At hindi ikaw lang yung may nagmamahal. So now, your love is being reciprocated. So, I'm so happy. But I'm so excited to meet JM in person. Together with you, for you to share your stories with me, because girl, we have a lot of stories. We have a lot of stories to share. Oh my God, gusto ko na mahaba-haba chikahan. Video call is not enough, so please fly back to Manila. Or am I Bisha the one flying to Abu Dhabi? Char. So there, miss you sis. See you soon, and again, congratulations to your upcoming wedding, and my wish for you is to be happy all the way. Love ya!
Hi Ate Mig, I just want to say congratulations po. And I'm so happy for you and Kuya JM po. And I hope na everything goes as planned on your actual wedding day. And that you're excited as everyone else. And although hindi po tayo lahat magkakasama on your special day, just know po na we're all celebrating it with you, even though we're miles away. I love you so much po, and I miss you, Tita Meg. Have a good day po.
Surprise! Congratulations, Jan and Nicole, and best wishes on your wedding. Naway maging matatag at matiwasay at puno ng pagmamahalan ang inyong pagsasama. More babies to come. I love you, Mick. I love you.
Hi, I'd just like to take this opportunity to send my heartfelt congratulations to Nicole and JM for their upcoming wedding. I married a Filipino, and it's the best decision I've ever made in my life. So all the best for the future, and lots of love to you both, and lots of love from crazy England. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Bunso and JM, congrats in advance. Basta lagi lang tatandaan, kailangan ng mahabang pasensya lagi sa isa't isa, laging magmamahalan, and laging magpipray. God bless, congrats ulit, love you.
Hello po, Tita Meg and Tito JM. Congrats po sa inyong lahat. At araw-araw po tayo mag-pray para bless tayo kay Lord. God bless po.
Hi Nicole, congratulations to your special day for your bridal shower, and also to your soon-to-be wedding. I'm happy for you that nakita mo na yung forever person mo, at ito na yung bagong chapter ng buhay mo. I know that you deserve this all. And also, nakakalungkot ng konti kasi hindi kami makakapunta dyan. Pero alam mo naman yung sitwasyon natin, and hopefully in God's perfect time, makikita-kita naman tayo soonest. At nagpapasalamat pala ako sa lahat ng kaibigan at kamag-anak na dumalo sa special day ng aking kapatid. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Yun lang kapatid, lagi mong tatandaan na kahit na magiging misis ka na, always remember that you will be still my sister, and I will still be your kuya. Yun lang. I'm happy for you again, and see you soon, is.
Congratulations, Tita Meg. Congratulations, Tita Meg.
Hi Bunso, unang-una, congratulations and best wishes sa inyo ni JM. Sana maging happy kayo sa special day nyo. At saka, syempre, hindi pwedeng wala kang bridal shower. So, special thanks kay Jaja sa pagtulong sa pag-organize ng event na to. So, enjoy lang kayo today. And, ayun, hope to see you soon. Love you.
Congratulations for your wedding, Tita Meg. I miss you.
Congrats sa inyo ni JM. Good luck sa inyong dalawa. Galingan nyo, magpakarami kayo. Gusto ko 5.
Hello mga anak. Congratulations sa inyong kasal. Sana magtuloy-tuloy ang inyong pagsasama habang buhay, at habang buhay kayong mag-iibigan at magmahalan. Maging matatag at makadiyos ang inyong pagsasama. Pagpasensya niyong isa't isa sa inyo. Mahirap ang buhay may asawa. Hindi yan kanin na isusubo at paglapaso ay iluluwa mo. Hindi ganon. Mapagsalita. Yun na yun. Marami akong gusto sabihin. Pero alam mo yun. Alam niyo yun. Kung ano yun. Sa araw-araw na nag-uusap tayo, nag-video call tayo. Parang nasabi ko naman na lahat. Kung ano man yun. At alam niyo yun. Kung ano ba ang ibig ko sabihin. Wala man ako kami ni Papa mo ngayon. Pero magkakaroon din ng panahon na magkakaroon kayo ng second wedding. Baka sama-sama na tayo nun. Buo na tayo nun. Yun ang wish ko. Ngayon man lang, pilitin yung maging masaya, at alam kong masaya kayo sa araw niyong kasal kahit wala man kami. Dahil alam niyong mahal na mahal namin kayo. Kaming lahat. Marami nagmamahal sa inyo. I love you, anak. God bless you.
Hello mga anak. Kamusta na kayo? Happy wedding day sa inyong dalawa. Congrats. Nicole. Tom. Ay, JM. Pasensya na kayo anak at hindi kami nakarating dyan. Alam nyo naman siguro kung bakit. Bahala na muna yung mga kamag-anak natin dyan. Hindi naman kayo pababayaan. At siyempre, nandiyan si Lord. Gagabayan kayo. Tsaka na kami babawi sa inyo. Malay nyo, maibili ko kayong bahay at lupa sa Tagaytay. Basta anak, bawi na lang kami siguro. Sa mga susunod na panahon, malay naman natin. Bahala na si God sa inyo. Magbahalan kayo. Bigayan. Lagi magunawaan. Sige na. Hanggang doon na lang. Puputulin ko na. Masyadong mahaba na yata. God bless sa inyong dalawa. Happy wedding ulit.
Johnny Cole, best wishes.
Thank you.
Congratulations ulit ha. Okay.
Ito, marinela kay nga nino. Dakin ko kalagudo.
Hello, Nicole. Congratulations kay Omadwan John Yelagyunen. Ay, dapat panay masaya ay akong kapatid. Okay. Yes. Nicole, congratulations. Yakay madwang ano nalaga? Jan. Oh. Asal niyo pala niya ne. Sana. Ay. Sana. Maayos kayo pa magsawa yun eh. Ako may papatero yun eh. Kaya pa. Okay. Next.
Okay, Niata.
Pati niyang muring mata ko.